have the JJRC H95. It looks like a plane, but it's actually a drone. It comes in two colors. You have this blue, and then you also have this yellow. Now that I see the blue one, I kind of wish I got the blue one instead of the yellow, but I have the yellow one, so let's unbox it, see everything that comes in the box. We have the user manual, a pack here with 4 spare propellers, a prop removal tool, and then the USB charger. We have 2 batteries here, 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp hour batteries. Those are pretty big batteries. Here we have the plane. Yeah, I do wish I got the blue, but it still looks pretty neat, even in yellow. And then the controller, it takes 3 AAAs. So that's a quick rundown of everything that comes in the box. Let's charge these batteries up and take this for a flight.
Okay, we are ready to fly the H95. Pop that battery compartment open, which it is a rather large battery compartment, but it is a pretty big battery. I don't think I've ever gotten anything that had a 500 milliamp hour, a single cell battery like that. There is the on and off switch, and we're gonna place it down here on something flat. So we'll do a up, down, and now we have a bind. And then to calibrate the gyro, it's down, and then the LEDs flash. You hear the beep on the controller, and then the LEDs flash on the plane. Let's do it again, just so you can see that. See the LEDs flashing when they stop. Now you're calibrated. So this has auto takeoff, auto land. Up here is your trim, and then here's for your flips and rolls. So let's take off and see how this flies. Oh, now it does have altitude hold. It looks pretty neat being in the form of a plane. It does look pretty cool. So I'm in the first speed. It takes off in the first speed automatically. So that's the yaw rate right there. Very slow. So the speed is this. You just push in and you hear 2 beeps. And it did pick up a little bit of speed. The yaw is definitely faster. Let's see if it has a third rate. Nope. So yeah, just have a high and a low. You heard the 2 beeps. So now we are in high, and that's about as fast as it's gonna go in the higher rate. I do have a little bit of a breeze. Not really affecting it. Let's see how good it flips. So we're gonna hit this. Oh, I'm trying to get it situated there. Hit that. Okay, so it doesn't do front or back flips, which with it having the tail like that, I think it would be hard to do that. So let's do a roll. Okay, there is the roll to the left. Let's try a roll to the right. And there is the roll to the right. Another feature this has is headless mode. And to calibrate headless mode, it says to face it to the left. So I don't know. Usually you have to face it forward, but it says face it to the left. That's what it says in the instruction manual. Right there, just like that. And then it says to go down and to the left with the sticks. Let's take off. Auto take off right here. Okay, and to activate headless mode, you just push in on the right stick. So now okay, headless mode does work. But it's flying the wrong direction. So I think you need to face forward. Where are you going? I'm trying to get it over here. So let's bring it back here. Let's recalibrate it and face it forward. I don't know why the instructions say to face it to the left. See, I'm going to the right, or I'm going to the left there, and it's coming towards me. So let's land this. So I'm gonna turn it off and on. and we're gonna rebind this. Now we're gonna face it forward because I don't know why the instructions say face it to the left. So to calibrate headless mode, down and to the left, okay? And LEDs stop blinking. So let's take off. And let's activate headless mode. Okay, there, you hear the remote beeping. Yeah, that's better. So don't face it to the left. See, I can spin, but even though I'm going to the right there, I'm spinning in any direction and it's still going to the right. So yeah, that is wrong in the book. Don't follow that instruction. You need to have it facing forward and then calibrate it in headless mode. So let's get out of headless mode because that beeping is annoying. Oh, it started coming down there. I thought the battery was done. Uh-oh. Was losing some altitude. Good thing it does come with 2 batteries. More time to play. Oh, it seems like it's struggling to stay in the air. I wonder if that battery's getting weak already. This is a little bit heavier than a normal drone. Maybe that's why it does have such a high milliamp hour battery. You know, you need a lot more battery for a little more weight. Let's do a roll. Well, nope, it's not gonna let me. That means the battery is too low. Let's try the auto land. There is the auto land. Okay, good thing we have 2 batteries. So I'm gonna pop the other battery in and do a little montage with it, all right? And the last thing that I want to show you is the emergency stop, which is right here. It's the auto land, auto takeoff button, but you have to hold it in for a couple seconds and it drops, just in case you really need to land this quicker than the auto land, because the auto land, it does slowly come down, and if you're like in a flyaway or something, you need to stop it right away. You just hold that in for like 2 seconds and it'll just drop. Always good to have that feature, especially with these little drones, because the wind does take them away sometimes. But that is the H95 from JJRC. As I said, it looks really cool as a plane. Unfortunately, that big battery did not give it any more flight time than a normal average drone of this size, with the 6 to 8 minutes of flight. So I think that bigger battery is just to kind of offset the size of this drone and the weight of this drone, so you still do get your 6 to 8 minutes of flight time. And as you saw, the higher rate is not much faster than the lower rate. And then you have headless mode. I showed you what not to do and what to do when you calibrate headless mode. And then it has the rolls, no flip. So with all that being said, I still am gonna put this in for the June giveaway. So the giveaway, how they work is I unbox and review multiple RCs for the month, and then I give you, the subscribers, a chance to win one of your very own. And the one that I give away at the end of the month is the one with the most likes on that video. So if you want this to be the June giveaway, then go ahead, smack the like button, and then all you have to do to enter the giveaway is you have to be a subscriber from the United States and comment down below. Just comment anything down below. Say hi to me, whatever. Anything you want, just comment down below, and your comment is your entry. And then at the end of the month, I'm gonna see which RC had the most likes, and then I'm only gonna pull comments off of the video that has the most likes. So you should probably get a comment in on all the other videos that I post this month, so that way you have a chance at whatever the giveaway is going to be. And then on July 1st is when I'm going to do a live drawing where I announce which RC was the most liked RC, and then we're going to find out which subscriber wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button if you didn't already, but I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.